A World Health Organization scientific team is in China investigating the origin of the coronavirus. In the past week, experts have visited a number of key sites, including the Huanan seafood market, hospitals, and a virology lab. Joining us now to discuss more is Bloomberg's Asia Managing Editor Emma O'Brien. Emma, what do you think the WHO team is trying to find out through this mission?
There is this expert mission that is focused on this big mystery that we still have about the pandemic. Where did it originally begin? Now, the reason that they want to go to Wuhan is because that is where the very first cases emerged amongst stall holders at that Huanan seafood market that you mentioned. So they want to go to this city and talk with people who experience the virus, go to all these sites where these first instances of the virus emerge so that they can get more intelligence and more knowledge to be able to piece together this extremely complex picture that they might never be able to get to the bottom of where the virus emerged from, where in nature it emerged from, and how it moved over into people.
The Wuhan Institute of Virology they visited has been at the center of conspiracy theories about the virus's origin. Do you think we'll be able to expect any key findings from this Wuhan lab?
Well, it's not at the center of any credible theories thus far of where the virus originated. It is very key to a conspiracy theory that has taken off online that this virus could have either deliberately or accidentally been leaked from the high-tech lab at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Now, that is a lab that deals with many infectious diseases, including coronaviruses. It has looked at bat-borne coronaviruses before, but there is no evidence that it has emerged from there either deliberately or accidentally. But the researchers want to be able to look into it, see, whether there is any credence to it, and therefore be able to rule it out if not.
Has the Chinese government been cooperative? I mean, Emma, you and the Bloomberg team were also there in December.
It appears that they are being much more cooperative. They are opening up places like this. I don't think a couple of months ago that they would have even countenanced allowing people into that laboratory, particularly the WHO. They felt very much under siege and under attack, and there was a huge amount of sensitivity, particularly when we went down in early December. It does seem as though China has recognized that it needs to at least appear to be cooperating and being open and transparent with these experts. There is so much scrutiny of what they're doing. There's a lot of media following them. Whether they're getting the type of access that they need is another question, and something we don't quite know yet.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quick Take now for insight in an instant.